What is good, you too?
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
Hey man, what's good, YouTube, man? I'm back with another video. It's look, I got some good things in store for y'all in this video, man. It's just so much that's like fire, you know what I'm saying? I'm overly excited right now. Like, I'm overly excited and ready to show y'all boys like what the Don Dealio, my Tillio is. Y'all ain't gonna lie to you. So, first things first, I am sorry. I am sorry for those who've been waiting for videos for a long time and just ain't. I know. You know what I'm saying? Let me just give you a quick rundown of what happened and what ended up happening and how it happened. So, your boy ended up selling the Mustang GT.
Who?
You know what I'm saying? I got rid of that and I was just in the hoops for a little while.
Hold on, what?
Well, not really. After I sold the Mustang GT, I had me a 2011 Impala LT. I ended up selling that.
What?
And getting a dog shit ass Charger. I'm never in my life getting the Mopar ever again. Do you understand me? Ever in my life, never ever in my life am I getting a Mopar ever again, my boy.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
It is the Ford way or no way. Cause what Moneybag Yo say? We Ford tough running. I'm doing a lot of talking. I'm pretty sure you boys gonna want to see that thing, huh? You boys really want to see that car, huh? I'm just go out there and just show y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like, about to just go out there and show y'all. You know what I'm saying? But I'm out here and I'm showing y'all what the Don Dealio, my Tillio is with the car. I'm also tell y'all what the plans is for today. You know what I'm saying? I know for a fact, for sure, for factuals, for fact show, for the fact, for fact.
Boy, if you don't get...
I'm gonna be getting me exhaust done today. I'm gonna give y'all boys some exhaust clips. In this car, it is a built motor. You ready? You ready? You ready? You sure you ready? You absolutely, positively sure that you ready? You ready? You ready? I'm ready. I've been ready. It's my car. Oh my God, the bullet wheels. Yes, it's been dropped about an inch, you know what I'm saying? Look at the tail lights. We ain't gonna worry about the paint, bro. It's just, we're gonna get that done in time. This spoiler is getting deleted right now. Yes, man. Yes, man. This is her right here. You boys want some exhaust clips, don't you? You want some exhaust clips, don't you? It ain't really that loud, but it got some fire. It got some fire. I'm gonna give y'all the cold start. I couldn't find a way to prop y'all up to give y'all a cold start, so I gotta go to drastic measures, and I think I got an idea. Let me get this, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Shit. It's all right for the moment, you know what I'm saying? It's pretty satisfying, I guess. You know what I'm saying? Can't wait till this thing is screaming. Oh, I almost forgot. Let me show you boys what's up under this hood. You know what I'm saying? Let me show you boys what's up under this carbon fiber hood. You know what I'm saying? Oh, almost forgot. Show y'all boys a real quick before and after flick of this wing delete. This is before. That looks so much better. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that looks so much better. I like the way how this looks. Hey, there go mom. Hope you guys can hear me. But right now I'm in the car and I'm on my way to go get my oil change, and then after I get my oil change, I'm going to be headed to the exhaust shop to wake this thing up, son. You know what I'm saying? We gotta wake this thing up. I want to hear it roar and pour. Hey, if you're new to the squad, bro, I greatly appreciate it. If you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with your friends, bro. Most definitely comment, bro. I'm never gonna be this bougie YouTuber. I'm gonna try to respond to a lot of comments, bro, and ask for a lot of you guys' support along my journey of owning this car and building this car. With that being said, man, I really would greatly appreciate if you guys give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, so guys, right now I'm at the car wash. I actually decided to stop and give me a quick little wash real quick. Let's enjoy these nice couple of seconds up. What the hell?
Put off the brake.
Yeah. Oh, my e-brake is up.
Stupid ass boy.
God, the carbon fiber pops off on God. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Like, I'm loving it. Like, yeah, this is much needed. Very much needed. So, next is the oil change. Know what I'm saying? Yeah. Be back with you boys. Oh shoot, almost forgot about y'all. But hey man, right now I'm at Northside Tires and Auto Repair over here off 1960, man. Basically, I'm finna see if these cats is good on my car, you know what I'm saying? Cats is good, they gotta go, cause I'm ready to get loud and raspy. But hey man, y'all guys hear how it sound now. You know what I'm saying? Can't wait to hear how it sound after. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep you boys updated. O'Reilly's right now, man. I got me this really cool Ford keychain, man. I said, bro, it gotta be Ford tough around here. I'm on my way back over here. I'm pretty sure they should be done. I think they're done, you know? Nah, he's still welding.
2 weeks later.
Man, so look, they finally finished with the car, man. They finally finished with it, man. This car is a whole different breed now. It even crackles and pops, bro. Oh my God. Oh my God. Just a muffler delete. That's it.